Hi guys, so I'll be wrapping a gift for my daughter because she already finished her high school level, first level of high school, because here in Italy we have here high school level, first level and second level. So yung first level they call it a primo grado. So Scuola Superiore di Primo Grado e Secondo Grado. Primo grado, first level, it is 3 years. So from first year to third year. Second level is 5 years. So you can choose from licei. So licei, tecnici. So they have already courses that you will take as preparation for your college or university level. So second Scuola Superiore, secondo livello, second level of high school is a preparation for your college level or university level. So for now, she already finished the first level of high school. So I bought her a gift. Fortunately, I am very happy because she has good grades. So later on, I'll share to you her grades. So I bought this a necklace. So let me see I'm gonna show you a very simple necklace, very simple pearl necklace. I hope she likes it. Later I'm gonna show you a photo. I already took a photo. Later I'm gonna show you. So I'll be wrapping this gift, and I'm gonna show you later the wrap one.